maybe it was $100. That's why she was not like serious to like. We focus on what? How many movements?
Uptrend and downtrend.
2 types of movement.
You taught me 4 and told me to list 5.
No, this one is straightforward. Hi guys, this is day 5 of me teaching my wife how to trade, right? And today's topic is very sensitive. Like, we've started technical analysis properly. And today we are going to talk about what?
Market structure.
Oh, you like us, just the flow. Wow, that's good. All right, so market structure. You know, as usual, before I show you anything, I'll have to like simplify everything like a baby for you, right? So the word market structure simply means the direction of the market, you know, and how it moves in a structural manner. You know, we'll start the technical properly, and before then, I'm going to show you how to identify what structures in the what market. Remember, I told you that we have how many types of market movement?
3.
List them.
Uptrend, downtrend, and ranging.
A market is what?
Ranging.
Ranging. Good. So now, when it comes to SMC, you know, I told you now we've started technical analysis properly, and the strategy we are learning is what?
SMC.
SMC, which stands for what?
Smart money concept.
Smart money concept, which means we as traders, we treat like the what? Like the banks, like the institution. We are smarter than many people when it comes to technical analysis, right? Because we use the basic, simple concept of what? What supply and demand market structure. Now, let me go straight to the point. Now, just like I said, we have 3 types of markets, but we SMC traders will only focus on 2 types of markets. Put this in back of your mind. We only focus on what?
2 types
of market movements, which is the what? Uptrend and the downtrend.
Trend.
Which means that whenever market is consolidating or market is ranging, what do? We don't trade. We focus on what? How many movements?
Uptrend and downtrend.
2 types of movement, which is the bullish market and the bearish market. If market is ranging, we do not trade. We don't even pay attention to it. I don't know if I'm making sense.
You are.
Good. So now let's do an illustration before we look for the real example on the chart, right? So whenever market is moving in an uptrend, it moves like this: impulsive move and what? Retracement. Impulsive move and what?
Retracement.
Impulsive move, retracement. Impulsive move, retracement. It's the same thing as markets giving a what? Higher high, higher low. Higher high here.
Higher low.
Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Whenever you see markets moving like this, right? Giving you that impulsive move to the up and retracement, a little retracement to the down. Then another impulsive move to the up, a little retracement to the down. This is a typical example of market that is moving in what direction?
An uptrend.
An uptrend. That's a bullish what?
Market.
Good, I'm fine. And if market is moving in a bullish manner, it's always what? Retrace. Market can never just be going up like one hand will just be going up forever, right?
Yes.
There will be a point where market what? Retrace. Listen to me carefully. There will be a point where what? Market will retrace. One candle cannot just be going up forever and ever. You understand? There will be a point where like sellers will come into the market and want to try to like dump the markets on the what? Buyers. I don't know if I'm making sense.
I understand.
Good. That point where sellers come in and try to bring the market down, and buyers overpowering the sellers, pushing the market up, that's where your what? Market will create higher high and what?
Higher low.
So that higher low is the place where where sellers push the market to the downside, right? Then buyers will now what? Push the market to the what? Upside. Good. Now let me give you an example of market moving in a what? Downtrend, right? Market moving in a downtrend, it gives you something like this: lower high, lower low. lower high, lower low. In general, what you should pay attention to if market is going to the upside, the moves to the upside will always be bigger than the retracements. The same way applies to market that is going to the what? Downside. The same thing applies to market moving to the what?
Downside.
You see that the move to the down is always bigger or longer than the small move to the what? Upside. So now it's the same thing that applies, right? Whenever you see markets going down, it means sellers are what? More in the market. Sellers are overpowering the what? Buyers. And that's why you see that you see big sell and then you see small buy, meaning buyers want to push it up and then sellers will overpower them and push it down more. Hence creating what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now to what? Market structure. How to identify what? Structure. Already this is a structure. We've gotten a structure, right? But how to map it out in the what? Market. You see, this particular place, this low that was broken, this low that was broken. What do I mean by was broken? That market came and passed, right? Creating new one, go up, came back and what? Pass, right? So that is your what? Where you can map out your break of structure. That's where the structure was what? Broken. Good and fine. So you carry your trend line, and then you draw something like this, straight to where it was what? Broken. You carry it again. This was a low that was broken. Yes or no?
Yes.
You draw it straight. It has to be what? Straight. Good and fine. Carry your trend line again and draw it straight. Good. That's you getting what? Proper what? Structure in the market. Those lines you are drawing is called your what? Break of structure. That's the place where the break of structure occur, right? Yes. All this is a low, they are low, lower low, lower low, lower low. But the market that came to break that low, that particular low, that's where you what? That's where the structure is. So that's why we call it what? BOS. BOS stand for what? Break of structure. So the same thing applies to a market that is moving in and what? Uptrend, right? When a market is moving in an uptrend, it will be giving you higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? Whenever a higher high is broken like this, what happened?
Break of structure.
Break of structure as what? Occur because today we are treating market structure. So we have to understand structure, right?
Yes.
So now all this is a what? Structure that shows that the market is bullish. Now, each and every of this break is an indication that markets continue what? Break higher, continue what? Break trend structures. Good and fine. Now, you see how neat it looks as when we're doing the illustration. When the real market, you may not see it like this clean, right? There will be break of structure as long as market is moving to the upside or to the downside, but you have to like train your eyes to see them. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Yeah.
Good and fine, because in the real market, it's not this thing I'm doing for you. The market will show you. You understand? Market don't really care about you. Market don't really care if you are fine or if you are ugly, right? Market don't really care if you are a woman. You understand? Maybe that way you can't cry. Understand? If you cry, I can't give you 18 months. You go cry for market, nothing will come out. You hear me? Good and fine. Now, this is just an illustration of what?
Market
structure. So now we'll go to the real chart, the real market, and look for market that is moving in an uptrend, and we should indicate all the breakout structures, and look for the market that is moving in a downtrend and indicate all the what? Structures. So can we clean this?
Yes.
Good and fine. Is there any question relating to this? Because now we're going to the real market for practical.
Nothing happens. Yeah, right.
To the downside, you don't have any business.
Right here.
If market is moving to the upside, the down, what you should only pay attention to, if when market is going, if it runs below the previous low, and that's when you pay attention. That's when you should start thinking, I'm sure that this market is strong to the upside again. Let me show you something. Good and fine. Thank you for that question, all right? Good. Now, market is moving to the upside. And then it will come down, but it's not coming down fully, right? Like the buyers will push it. It will come down, but it won't come down fully. Buyers will push it. But the moment something like this happened, it came down and it's passed this previous low,
Yes.
like this, then that's when you should be like paying attention, right? But then if the next move is up, market is still what? Bullish.
Yes.
Market is still bullish. But if the next one, I'm sorry, if the next one did not go up, rather it just came somewhere like around here and go back down like this, and still break another low. They'll go up again, but do not go above this high. It still go back down again. This is what you call where market was change character. Market has changed character.
Okay.
That's that. It was bullish before, but it did not continue going up. Rather, it started going down to break previous lows. So that's the only time you have business if market, and that's the only time you have business. We call this lows, right? So whenever markets are coming down, it has changed character. We call it church. CHOCH. Understand? Call it church. Change of character. Right? So whenever you see something like this in the market, from here it was bullish, but from here to here is what? Bearish. Become what? Bearish. So that's a nice question. Yeah?
Change of character.
Yes. So hope you've understood what you did here.
Yes.
Clap for yourself. That's not how they clap in school. Hey! Which school did you attend? Eh?
I'm
Alright.
doing great.
You're disgracing me. Do me low clap. Clap, but just do the first clap. No, the first one you're doing. It's like this.
That's extra. That one is like nobody send it.
That's like
No, that one nobody send it.
Clap your clap. People in comment section will judge. Alright, now choose a pair. Choose any pair you want us to use.
Now choose a term.
Ethereum. Spare Ethereum.
ETH.
Because in the trading view is the short abbreviation that will allow you to see the name of the what? Share. Where?
Yeah.
Good and fine. So now we're using ETH. And by the look of things, ETH on a weekly time frame is looking very much bullish. It's coming. ETH has not broken like all-time high, like throughout this bull whatever run, right? But inshallah, we are seeing that it's going to be. It's not only it's going back. Sorry, inshallah. It's what break the all-time high, and a lot of money we made because I invested in Ethereum since when is it here?
Inshallah.
All right, so can you? Before I show you, I'm to show you normally to train your eyes. But you know, with this small knowledge you've acquired, can you show me like two? Oh, it's now first from here to here. What's the direction of the market?
Bearish.
Good, fine. Can you show me one or two break structures that were broken?
Here and here.
Really?
Yeah. You said this long thing doesn't count.
Really? Moses, when did you come here?
Sorry, I thought that this does not count.
Just show me your low and then where the break occur. But if you don't know, it's okay because I've not done practical with you. We just did illustration, so it's okay.
Yeah. Where I put the arrow?
You believe that it's from here that market started crashing?
Yes.
Right? And the market is bearish. Start showing me break of structure all over. But if you don't know, it's okay. You don't need to zoom anything. I've done it like for you.
Oh, yeah.
Today.
Yeah.
This one is not a weak.
It is.
It's not a low. This one is not a low in your highs. This one is not a low. This one is not a low. Okay, I understand. Good, but I understand. Just that you stressing it to go and pick what I'm not seeing, then there's a problem, right? So now let's pick these two. What's this?
Red line.
What's this? Another move.
Okay.
What's this?
Lower.
What's this?
Lower.
What's this? What's this?
Lower.
So just like I said, you need to train your eyes to just see it. It's not your fault. But with time, you'll be able to what? See it.
See.
Now, market is creating what? Lower high and what? Lower low. Lower high.
Lower low.
Maybe lower low. I don't know. This one is called, but it's okay. This is lower what? High. And the last one market created was this lower low. Now, if you want to draw your structure, that is broken, you will start it from the bottom, from the tip of the wick. You draw it all the way until you jam or hit any candle. I don't know if I'm making sense.
I understand.
Good. Now, the next one is where this is our wick. This is where the low happen. But if you don't want, you can do what you feel like doing here, or you pick this one as your what? Break of structure. Right? As your lower low, whatever. But you understand what we're doing here, right? Now clear it. You have your first break of structure here, and you have another what? Break of structure. Right? There's another internal, which you will do another like topic for internal, like external structure, which is tomorrow or something. Now, this is an indication that the market has been moving out down here. Now, something happened, right? Something happened here, right? What happened? Market stopped going down, stopped breaking the lows. Rather, what happened here? Market created this what? High. Came down, but still did not break this previous low. Rather, what the market start doing?
Going up.
Up, creating new low, went up again, create another low, went up again, right?
Yes.
Good. The same thing continue here. Market continue what? Going up. Now, if I'm to just show you how structure work, right? You know I told you, if market move, if it is to the upside, the big move to the upside is more than the move to the down. And the next move is a big move to the up, then small move to the down. Big move to the up, small move to the down. Big move to the up, small move to the down. Big move to the up, and then move to the down. Another big move, right?
Yes.
Until, sellers or buyers like come and change the character of the markets. Now, this is it. You carry your trend line, right? This is a high that was broken. Good, right?
Yes.
This is another high that was broken. Yes?
Yes.
This is another high. I told you from the tip of the candle, the wick.
Yes.
You draw it again straight until you jump once you jump any candle, you stop, right? You come here again. You draw. This is a high now.
Yes.
After this high, market went down. Then market came back up and break this particular higher high. Creating a what?
Break of structure.
This is done. So now, let me carry this tree, this path tree, right? What happened? From here, market came here, like this, right? Went back, like this, came back up, right?
Yes.
Good. You understand? So now, this is an indication. Higher highs, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, and then higher high. Right? Then I'm there, higher low, then there's this last high that market creates before it starts what? Dumping. Good and fine. Yeah, dumping. Now there's not much structure here. There's this low, then there's this low, then there's this low, then there's another low here, right?
Yes.
I'm done from today's class. Come. Should I tell you something?
Yes. No.
I'm not telling you anything.
Don't.
Let's go. We are done with today's class.
Why?
Nothing. We are done with what?
Today's
class. But come. Inside. Question and answer. So if you answer I'll ask you 5 questions. If you answer all the questions correctly. Wait, the first one, how much did I even say? $100. Maybe it was $100. That's why she was not serious to So this time around, I will give you $500. Is it okay?
What is it?
For the question, if you answer all the 5 questions correctly, right? All right, good.
You set up.
No. $500 is nothing. I can ask you simple questions to just give you the money.
You did that for the $100.
What did I do?
You taught me 4 and told me to list 5.
No, this one is straightforward, right? So now, as SMC trader, what kind of market movements do we not bother ourselves like analyzing or checking whenever we see on the chart?
Ranging.
When market is ranging, right? Good. You should have answered 1. You see, it's a good start, but good and fine. Market moves in how many direction? 2, right? 3 direction, and we only use
2
directions. Whenever market is moving to the upside, it creates something. What do we call it? Like it creates like a particular like move. But explain the move.
Impulse movement.
Explain. I do not say just say a word. Like explain. Feel free. Talk to people. Educate us.
That's to be going up.
Whenever market is, I know. That's why I said whenever market is going to the upside, it goes up now. It gives like a particular move, a particular structure. How does it like explain it? Just explain.
That's the higher low, higher high. Then the break of structure. Is that the part you're talking about? Because
Just explain. Don't ask me any question. Just explain.
to keep going up, but then it might come down, but it will still go up as long as it's going higher than it was going.
Use technical terms to explain. You know there's time on. Thank God. You explained this correctly, but you did not use technical term, right? To be creating a move like higher high, it will be creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It will be breaking structures to the what? Upside. When the market is moving to the upside, it will be creating market structure to the what? Upside, creating higher highs, higher lows. So all the breakup structures will be what? To the upside. Simple explanation. I'll give you that, but you explain. But next time, try and explain using technical terms. All right?
Yeah.
Good and fine. What is the short now? Number 3. What is the short abbreviation for change of character?
CHOCH.
Open your mouth and talk if you want to answer.
CHOCH.
Good and fine. What is the abbreviation for breakup structure?
BOS.
BS. How many questions have I asked?
4.
4. Remember 1. Right? The last question is we use what strategy? SMC, right? And what did I use to describe smart money concepts in the class? How many minutes? How many seconds?
Like a word.
You remember that I described the smart money concept? I explained like
For traders, yes, because it's like the easiest and most straightforward.
that's what I said.
That's what I remember.
Anyways, you still have time. Now if answered for your $500 is
How many seconds?
Listen, you see these 50 euros? You know that I have it.
Is it time that
Do I have this?
yes.
I mean,
I can't count.
I can just carry it to 200 euros 2 and this 100 euro 1 and give you. I mean 8 seconds, I think.
I can't remember. I can't remember. I can't.
You can't. So you see, that's why I always tell you, pay attention in the class. Pay attention in class. Should I tell you? If I tell you, you remember. You remember that I said it. Should I tell you? I should tell you. Good. So if I accepted that you failed, you just threw away $500 in the dustbin. Some people watching this thing now, they'll comment out, it's here, I don't get this question. Anyways, when I was explaining, right? When I say SMC smart money concept, we treat like the banks, like the institution.
I remember.
You see? So did I ask you anything I did not teach you? Is this question fair?
The way you even said, the way you said it, anybody that watched that part,
Mm.
they'll know that you just set me up.
You know they ever agree.
I'm not fighting it. I'm just telling
But
you.
it was like everything I asked you, I taught you.
You set me up.
How?
You know.
But anything
When you said $500, like,
you know that you know doing it.
I know that there's
I know before
something. It's always the last question. You just.
But it was like something I talked about.
The way you said it is like I'm saying I'm fine and I'm okay. You understand? And the next person to me heard me.
Take. You are playing with $50. I'll change. I don't change my mind. We are done for today's class. We'll meet tomorrow. I'm not doing it. I don't give out. I don't give out. Wait, there's this apology letter you gave me. Take your apology letter. Oh my.
Hope that's no camera.